Using Presto Card in Canada. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Presto Card in Canada. Using Presto Card in Canada is a very easy thing to do. You just have to know that Presto Card is actually a Metrolinx or a transit card which allows you to travel by having some money into it. It is actually pretty easy. You just have to add some money into it which you can use online, or you can use it by visiting to their website or their customer service or their metro station. On metro station, you can ask them to recharge it, so you can add some money into it. After adding some money, you just have to sit into the bus. Whenever you want to sit into the bus, you will see a payment option, something like that. You just have to tap your card on the scanner. What it will do is it will scan the card. You just have to hop on the bus, travel some miles. Whenever you get off, there should be option or a payment feature, something like that there as well. You just have to tap your card again. It will tell them that you are off the bus now. So that's pretty much easy. That's how you will be able to use Presto Card in Canada.